So today we are preparing chips masala, and I want to take you through the ingredients of the day. And of course, chips is our main ingredient, and I have about 3 to 4 plates of chips. This is homemade fries, and they were made earlier on, and I just asked for a few to be kept aside so that I can be able to work on this recipe. We are going to be using 1 medium-sized onion. Then we have garlic and ginger paste, which is grounded and already prepared. Then we have the spices for the day. The first thing, this red thing you're seeing here, is tomato sauce or ketchup. If you have ketchup, the better. Of course, we are going to use a bit of oil to fry the onions. Then we have a spice blend here, and then the main spice, as you can see there, is Garam Masala. Then I have some paprika. I also have some Cayenne pepper, because this is masala, guys, chips masala, so at least we have to make it a bit hot. Then we have some Dhania there, or coriander, for garnishing towards the end. So let's go to the other side so that you can be able to begin the frying process, and I show you how you bring everything together.
Lost and hopeless, when I was at my worst, it's grace that you extended that I did not deserve. I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. was at my worst. It's grace that you extended that I did not deserve. I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the heart of you, God.
So here is our final plate of the chips masala we have just made. I've served them with some kachumbari I had made earlier, and I tell you guys, I've tasted this. It tastes amazing. It tastes like just what you would order from a restaurant, and you get a good made chips masala. Please try this at your homes. Try this and make it for your guests, make it for your family, and let me know the feedback. Also, let me know what you've liked most about this video. Let me know if you're going to try it, and like, share, subscribe to this channel, because you are going to be having amazing, simplest recipes you can come across. And I know that we'll be able to learn and share delightful kitchen matters together. I love you all.